of swar and vyanjan. So you will copy the same and you will write the answers by yourself. Okay, class? Are you getting me? I will share you the screen. Prayag, come here. Prayag, stop jumping and come here. I will share you the screen. You have to open your Hindi notebook. In that, you have to write swar and vyanjan. Ma'am has written some missing letters of swar and vyanjan. So you will see it. You will copy the same and you will write the answers by yourself. Okay? Chalo, then we can start now. I'm just sharing you the screen. You can open a fresh page and write down the date till then. Himay, you have to take your Hindi notebook. Sorry, Hindi notebook. Okay, so you can see here, ma'am has written the swar. I have done in a missing form. Okay, so you will write the same way and you will write that wherever there is put dash, you will write the answer by yourself. Okay, understood? Are you able to do or not? Or you just want to write the answers? I think so. You can copy and you can write the answers. Okay? Yes. So write down the date. You can see here the date is written 5th 8 2021. Copy. Okay, so you can do the same way. And you wherever there is a dash, you can write the answers by yourself. Chalo, now everyone, please start writing. Khanak, you have to write. Hey, keep your video on.
मैम क्या करना है?
आपको आपकी नोटबुक लेनी है और उसमें स्वर और व्यंजन लिखना है जैसे मैम ने लिखा है उसी तरीके से. Wherever there is a dash, जहां पे dash है वहां पे you have to write the answers. Okay? Nivan, where are you? Where are you paying attention? You have to pay attention on the screen. Chalo, Shlok, please keep your video on. Shlok and Hit, yes. Just a minute, huh, class?
मैम मैम I done.
Kia, you are done? Then just wait for others to complete, okay? Yes, Vedika, what you want to say? Done, Laksh. Then wait for others to complete. Okay, let everyone finish and then I will open the second slide. Just give me a minute, okay? Vedika, just wait for a minute, huh? Just wait for a minute.
Can you present?
हाँ बच्चा, just give me a minute. I'm opening the PDF now. The one who will complete it, just let me know. Okay?
मैम स्वर के बाद व्यंजन भी है क्या?
Yes, ma'am. व्यंजन भी है. पहले स्वर फिनिश करना है, then
अच्छा,
व्यंजन.
ओके ओके.
Ma'am, score finish.
Okay, Shiven. Just wait for others to complete. Okay? And who has to join for the reading class today? That is Paki, Prayag, and Shri. Okay? You have to join for the reading class. Paki, Prayag, and Shri.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Shri.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Prayag. Okay, Prayag. Others, please complete it fast. Little bit fast. Shlok, mute your microphone.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Okay, Hriday is done. Vedika done. Okay. Okay, Hriday and Vedika, correct. We will check the answers right now after some time. Let's everyone finish and we can check the answers. Yes, Vedika. Okay, Nivan done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, stop eating your hanky. Who is left? Paki? Then Shri? Himay? Arav, Ayansh, please let me know whether you have finished it or not.
Ma'am, done. Done, ma'am.
It is
Ma'am,
done.
done.
Ayansh is done. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Khanak is also done. Okay, bacha. Chalo. So now I am showing you the answers. Okay. You can check your answer. So what will come before A? A के पहले क्या आएगा? Okay. A. Then
E.
E. Very good. Then badi E. You can see ma'am is writing right now. Just answer. Don't pay attention on the linings. Okay. A, E. Then choti U. Then badi U. Correct. Then A. Then bada A. Chota O.
Ma'am, you forget room.
Okay, but here we have not put dash. Huh?
Can I go to washroom?
Okay, you can write re also. Chalo.
Can I go to washroom?
Okay, you can go washroom. Then Okay. So this was swar. Now let's move to the vyanjan. Write down the vyanjan now. Complete the vyanjan. Very good, Shiven. Good. Correct. I will again check all the answers at the end so you can check it once again.
Ma'am, I done.
Done. Okay, Khanak, just sorry, Kia. Wait for the others to complete and I will check the answers at the end. Okay, correct, Kia. But then too will check the answers at the end, okay? Okay, who has completed? I know just Shiven and Kia has completed. Anybody else has completed? Done, Nivan? Good. Just wait for others to complete. We will check the answers after some time, okay? Just wait then.
I'm done.
Hey, done? अच्छा, Arav is done. Okay, Arav, Swar I saw. Okay. Just wait for others to complete, then we will check the answer. Okay, Arav? Ayansh?
Ma'am,
Check the answer.
I'm
Okay.
done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, Heth. Ayansh, please complete the answer, bacha. Come on. Okay, you have done, already finished? Okay, then. Danish, how much is left yours?
Ma'am, they can leave the class.
No.
I'm done.
Done, Hriday? Okay, good. Chalo, then what we can do, I'm just telling you the answers. The one who has completed, please check your answers. Okay? Chalo, Hriday, please mute your microphone, bacha. The first what will come here? Heth, what will come here? Heth?
Yes.
क्या
Yes.
आएगा यहाँ पे? ख के पहले what will come here?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Vedika. Just check the answers, okay? Okay, bacha. Paki, you are also done? Okay, Vedika, I can see yours. Okay. Heth, I was asking you the answer. Heth. What will come here, Heth? Heth? Yes, Shivan, please tell me. What will come here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हेत आपको मैं आंसर पूछ रही थी ना, आप कहाँ चले गए थे? अभी बताओ यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? दिस इज क ख एंड देन व्हाट विल कम हियर हेत? क्या आएगा यहाँ पे?
किधर मैम?
इधर. किधर मतलब कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन राइट?
ये एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड के पास.
व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड? व्हाट इज एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड? यहाँ पे मैम ने क लिखा, यहाँ पे ख लिखा है, तो क्या आएगा हेत यहाँ पे?
गो.
हाँ. So here will come G. Paki, tell me what will come here? G के बाद Paki. Paki, are you there? Paki, are you there?
Her microphone is off. Paki, put on your microphone.
Okay, घर से घर is correct. Then this is Anga. Yes, Kia, tell me what will come here? Cha. Vedika, then tell me what will come after cha?
छो. छो से छतरी वाला छो.
Yes, correct. Hriday, what will come here? Cha, cha, ja. Then what will come here, Hriday?
छो से चम्मच, छो से छतरी, ज से जग, ज से सरना, ज से करना.
Yes, correct. Ayansh, you will tell me what will come here? Ayansh.
After the
छो.
Yes, tha. Then Hime, you will tell me what will come here? Hime?
હવે ક્રાય કરો હવે. Yes ma'am.
What happened to him?
मैम आई वॉज नॉट हियर, तो मैंने उसको डांटा कि तुम करते क्यों नहीं हो खुद से, तो वो रोने लग गया.
वेरी गुड मैं। चलो अभी रोना नहीं है, जस्ट सी ऑन द स्क्रीन। बताओ यहाँ पे क्या आएगा मुझे, चलो फिर मम्मा आपको नहीं डांटेगी। चलो okay, first of all drink water, then I will come back to you. I will ask you once again. Okay, Arav, you will tell me क्या आएगा यहाँ पे। ट ठ ड के बाद आरव।
से धान,
ध,
से टमाटर,
वो तो यहाँ पे है ट ठ ड। अभी यहाँ पे क्या आएगा। हाँ रॉन्ग, ये ड से डमरू वाला ड है। उसके बाद इट्स ढ से ढोलक या तो ढ से ढक्कन। देन यहाँ पे अड़ा आएगा।
ढ से ढक्कन,
देन श्री, यू विल टेल मी व्हाट विल कम हियर ट के बाद। श्री, थ से
थर्मस,
थ से थर्मस। नाउ खनक, टेल मी थ द के बाद खनक।
थर्मामीटर,
ओके खनक, टेल मी व्हाट विल कम आफ्टर द। ध से धनुष। देन आफ्टर न निवन क्या आएगा। न के बाद निवन। न के बाद प, देन फ, ब, भ, हाँ म, ओके। देन श्लोक, र के बाद क्या आएगा श्लोक। ओके य,
मैम ल,
सॉरी यस, जस्ट अ मिनट। ल, देन व, श, देन श से षटकोण, स से सड़क, ह, देन श से क्षत्रिय। देन what will come here? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will come here, Shiven?
Yes, Gyani.
Correct. So this is the answer. You can check your answer. Okay. So हमने आज दोनों revision वापस से किया, the स्वर and the व्यंजन. Wherever you have done mistake, please correct it. Okay. So here our Hindi class is over. You have a reading class. Pakhi, Prayag, and Shri have a reading class. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, बच्चा.
Bye, ma'am. But one mistake is left.
Okay, you can rectify, बच्चा. Vedika.
Okay, ma'am.
बोलो डा।
Bye.